We are in a world where the use of STEM technologies is rapidly growing. Drones will inevitably change our daily lives, but educational tools in that field are limited and complex. We don't need more drone pilots, we need drone technology innovators. That is why we have decided to create the DronoBox. It is the first educational drone kit solution that lets you build a drone entirely by yourself using the parts in the kit. Whether you are a hobbyist, a high school student, or just interested in UAV technology, DronoBox is suitable for anyone aged 12 and up. With our kit, you will learn skills such as machine learning, electronics, basic robotics, programming, 3D printing, ethics, and of course, flying your drone. You can train Drono to be more autonomous, detect obstacles, or perform a specific task.
Our mission is to make hands-on technological education be more readily available in classrooms across the globe through an interesting and affordable medium, in this case it being DronoBox.
With your help and crowdfunding support, we can bring DronoBox to schools all around the world and educate the future generation. Receive your DronoBox, build a drone, customize it, and continue your hands-on education using tutorials and programming.